In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a travel design poster tutorial using Canva. First, we'll open Canva and search for an Instagram size post. We'll start with a plain sheet and add a green background color. Next, we'll search for circle frames to highlight our cities. These city pictures are from Canva's library, making it super easy. Now, we'll find a limited time offer tag and a 50% off tag. We'll place these tags neatly in the corner. For the text, let's write "Enjoy your vacations with us" and adjust it accordingly. Adding a background to the frames and some clouds for a scenic touch. To prompt action, let's include a book now tag and some arrows. And just like that, our travel design poster is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.